In this exercise example, we're going to be learning 2D reaches, otherwise known as forward, back, side to sides. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to stand in a hip width position and then bring your feet just slightly narrower. With your feet, they're going to be facing directly forwards. And this is a fantastic drill to start to get your single leg, ankle, knee and hip mobility all working together synergistically at the same time. So we're going to be coming forwards, back, to the side and to the opposite side. So choose which leg that you're going to do that with now. And remember that that leg that comes forward, back and side to side doesn't bend at the knee. However, your standing leg, the one that you're going to be in contact with the floor at all times with, is the one that is going to bend during each of the forward, back, side to side motions. So let me show you what that looks like. In this example, my left leg is the standing leg and my right leg is going to be my reach foot. So forwards, back, side, side. And that is how to do 2D reaches or forward, back, side to sides. You're going to repeat that for your desired amount of repetitions and then do exactly the same on the other leg until you're done.